Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third episode of Refined Guitar Chops. Today, I'm going to show you a very famous lick in the style of Uli Jon Roth and Yngwie Malmsteen. So, here we go. So I got three notes for you as usual. This time it's G, F sharp, and E. And the pattern goes like this. One more time. The picking pattern, right hand, is always down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. You are amazing. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. You can also find me on my Facebook fan page. The link is also in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.